Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hey everyone, it's Audrey, and this is going to be a vlog, but more centered around photography. I actually got a new camera because I'm super excited to share with you that this video is sponsored by Canon. And that's just unreal to me. The first camera that I ever started using on my channel was one of the Rebel series. This is a Canon. This is the Canon G7X Mark II that I'm using to film, and usually for my videos I use the 5D Mark IV, so I'm kind of a Canon girl. The box that they sent me is right here. It's the Canon EOS R. I'm gonna unbox it with you, kind of share with you what's in here, share the specs in case you're thinking of buying it as well. And then I think we're gonna vlog with it. I'm gonna try to vlog. It has a rotating LCD screen, and I just like being able to see myself when I'm vlogging, so I know what I look like. I guess I feel more comfortable that way. I think we're gonna go on a little road trip today because the weather's really nice. Take some photos. Gonna share all of that with you. So let's get unboxing. There's more room over here, so let's unbox this baby. So lots of stuff. I'll clean up later, I promise. So I'm gonna get a little technical. The kit comes with the Canon EOS R camera and accessories. The lens is the RF 24-105mm f4 LUSM lens, and the standard mount adapter is dust and water resistant. This just lets me use any of my EF or EFS lenses with the EOS R. The body has a 30.3 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, a Digic 8-image processor, built-in 3.69 million dot electric viewfinder, and a vari-angle touchscreen LCD with a dot matrix LCD panel. Can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second through the HDMI output with Canon log at 10 bits and up to 422 recording, but only if you're shooting manual. The lens is really high quality and pretty compact for what it is. Has a broad zoom, and the f-stop is very bright and constant at f4. I guess it's the first L-series lens with a nano USM. Also wanted to mention the additional service plan they have called the CarePAK PLUS. Offers protection from accidental damage like drops, spills, power surges, just normal wear and tear, and it goes beyond any standard warranty period. This plan, if your camera is damaged, it will either be repaired or replaced, and I have a link if you want more details. I'll put it in the description as well. Right now, Canon has a promotion where if you purchase the EOS R and the 24-105mm lens kit, you save $200 and receive a free standard mount adapter. And this promotion only lasts until April 27th. Okay, so I switched to the Canon EOS R for vlogging. I like it a lot so far. Not really used to looking at myself to the side like this, but that's no problem. And then when I first opened up the package, I was a little bit worried that it was going to be as heavy as my Mark IV, but it's surprisingly light. When I was holding it while we were driving, I took a couple photos, just took some video, and I don't know, it's very smooth, I want to say, when I was trying to do some panning shots and kind of pulling back. So we're gonna go outside, we're just gonna drive down PCH, see if we can find anything cool, take some photos. So you ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.